Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode. Hope you have an amazing day. Bitcoin pump, Doge pump since I bought it, which is amazing. My account coming close to all-time high again. Remember, it got from 150K mid last year to now 900, went to 900 and I can't remember, 940K, and now it's around 840K, which is, remember, dropped. Amazing. Let's jump in the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And the is now sitting at 841. The peak was 918. In the last 3 months, from 470 to 840. My Bitcoin trade now $12,000 in the profits. My Ethereum trade $13,000 in the profits. Nice trades. Funding fee still very low. And Doge pumped like crazy yesterday. Dogecoin I think it just fully rebounded on the 24-hour, but it moved like a lot of percentage. We'll also jump into Doge. Let's go into Bitcoin. IDEX was up a lot yesterday as well, which is beautiful. BTC, 66,800. Oh, W straight away. I see W formation. I see curving bottom formation. Curving bottom. I see W formation. I see volume is still good. Weekend volume dropped off a bit, but that's to be expected on Sundays. I see giant bull flag on the daily. By the way, I see a massive bull flag. Like if you just zoom out, if you take off the charts, it's much more clear. Hold on. I see a giant bull flag, or even actually a giant bullish pennant. I see a giant bullish pennant forming. It's hard to see with all the different charts, but I need to keep all my lines. Fourth to fifth wave is in effect, exactly as I said. And we broke out of the bull flag, everyone. You see this? We've broken out of this giant bull flag. With Bitcoin pumping today, we broke out of this bull flag. The trade from yesterday activated. Wow, look at this. The trade from yesterday and the day before was the same trade, came down and activated, everyone. Massive profits. Congratulations, anyone that took that trade. It went down to 62,000 and bounced back to 66,000. So $4,000 gain. But everyone, it's broken out of the bull flag. This is massive news with a massive W formation forming. This is going to pump like crazy. Adding on to my Bitcoin position. I want to add one more Bitcoin. Wow, it didn't come down and activate the yesterday's video, but the day before one did. W formation. This means it's invalidated this head and shoulders pattern. Invalidated head and shoulders pattern. Okay, I'm going to add one more Bitcoin. I'm already let's do one more. Actually, I want to buy one more spot. I'm buying one Bitcoin spot. What does that mean? I actually own the asset. The other ones are derivatives contracts. So I'm buying one more Bitcoin. I should have bought it yesterday. I had that. If you saw my video, I wanted to buy it yesterday. I put the buy order lower. Let's see if this one Bitcoin activates or just pumps. My order's at 66,774. You see it down here, one Bitcoin, 66,774. But then Bitcoin's pumping as I'm speaking. But usually it always comes down to activated. Oh, it's pumping, 66,800. W formation. Okay, I'm going to add one Bitcoin at the current price. Coming back down. 8.5. Okay, let's buy it there. It's like a $20 difference. It doesn't matter. Okay, one field, 0.27 Bitcoin field. It's not filling, it keeps bouncing off. My order bounced it. This is spot, so I'm buying one Bitcoin filled. So now in this account I have 2 Bitcoin, actually 1.99. Okay, I have to buy like a little bit more, just at 0.1, just so I'm above at the current price. Okay, now I want to get to 2 Bitcoin on this spot. It bounced again? 0.1 Bitcoin, 66,775. It's about to execute, $2 off. I wanted to execute, so then I have 2 big. And this is my Bitcoin trade here, 12,000 Ethereum trade. So I've got 4 Bitcoin trade here. I've got 60 Ethereum trade here. And I'm also holding, that means Ethereum will run, everyone. If Bitcoin pumps now, I think Ethereum will run. Because there was some pullback on Ethereum only because of the Bitcoin drop. Ethereum head and shoulders not invalidated yet. But if Bitcoin pumps, I think it will go here back to 4. and giant bull flag. Okay, I'm gonna buy more spot Ethereum. So right now I have 18 spot Ethereum. I'm gonna buy another. So I'll cancel my buy orders that I had down for Ethereum. That means the whole market is about to pump. Okay, so I'm gonna buy spot Ethereum. I'll buy another. How much do I have now? I have spot. I have 18. So let's buy another 40 Ethereum. So I'll buy 20 at the current price, $68,000 worth. Oh, I need to move funds to this spot. Okay, cancel this one, cancel this one. So now it opened up $174,000. So I'm buying 20 Ethereum at the current price. And I'm going to set a buy order for 20 more Ethereum at 3,000. If it has some nuke for some news. At 3,000, I'll buy 20 more Ethereum. So now I've got my 60 Ethereum trade. I've got my 4. By the way, I think Bitcoin is going to pump. If I wasn't buying spot, I would add more positions to my Bitcoin and my Ethereum. Now I've got 2 Bitcoin, 140,000, 38 Ethereum. Let's get 2 more Ethereum just so it's beautiful. Can you, guys, if you learn from me and you study my courses and you learn what I'm doing, you're going to be able to buy 2 Ethereum just because it's beautiful. So it makes your account look more even. 40K on 4, now I have 40 Ethereum here. Doge, I have 109,000, Pocket 55,000, and I've got 149,000 in USDT here. I've got 30,000 and I've got 90,000 USDT here. So about 60% of the account now is allocated to crypto. So you can see here I'm holding these ones in spot. So this means I actually own these assets in my account. Ethereum, spot, Bitcoin, Doge, Pocket, MCRT, Uni, World, FXS. And I'm holding on my trades, which are in profit 13,000 and 12,200, Bitcoin 4 and Ethereum 60. Everything you can learn down below. If you want to learn, or if you want to just keep losing all your money and making mistakes and gambling, up to you. But if you want to learn, underneath the video, 1 is the exchanges. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. Use that link to join, and you join the gurus. And then 2, take all the courses. They're $333 each. You're probably going to lose hundreds of thousands of dollars if you don't take these courses. Join the Crypto Gurus in the Telegram. There's online right now 111 of you. Everyone talking and discussing, sharing charts. I posted this, guys. Everyone, read these 2 books and you'll become very rich. Technical Analysis for the Financial Markets and Intelligent Investor. If you read nothing but these 2 books, you will be better off than 99% of people financially. I highly recommend. These are the 2 books. They're very old. They're nothing to do with me. They're like 100 years old, these books. But if you read these 2 books, it will change your life. Or you take my courses, because these books are pretty hard to read, but up to you. And join me on Telegram as well. On X, I have 85,000 followers. This is yesterday's video. Bitcoin halving will take place. The halving is near on Bitcoin at 420. If it's 420, and someone said if it's 420, if it's 69,000 at 420, this will prove we live in a simulation. 11 hours later, 13 hours ago, I said, can the crypto markets break out here? Because it's a symmetrical triangle heading up, pushing out with volume, and we broke out 11 hours later. This is God Soldier. He said, this is a list of heaps of people to follow. Someone said, this is a list of heaps of people to follow. And he said, that's a long list. Save everyone trouble. Follow James and you're good. And by the way, I actually agree with this. I don't like to follow any other influencer. I don't like to follow any other trader. Who remembers when I was in the World Financial Summit in Dubai with $10,000 a dinner plate, and I was the only one in the world. When I was at that financial summit, everyone, the best investors, the biggest funds, the biggest CEOs in the world, they were all bullish on Bitcoin. And that day in that conference on the 11th of November 2021, I said, get out of Bitcoin, the top is in. I was the only one in the world. And that's why I don't like to follow other people or what they do. I do it myself, and I learn myself, and I understand my 23 years of experience. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again. And by the way, it's Holi Festival. If you're Indian, happy Holi Festival to you. I wish you and your family an amazing time, amazing celebration. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.